Hello, good morning children. How are you all? Today we are going to do phonic primer reader. Okay, and we will be doing revision of pages 7 to 9. Okay, so are you all ready with your phonic reader? Okay, phonic primer reader. You have to take out this book. And we will be doing the reading and we will do the revision of this passage. So take out this page number 7, and we will start reading. Ma'am is putting this red light. You all put your finger on the word. Read with me. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. Now we will read the sentence. A ma and man, ra and ran, T-O-2, T-H-E, the, wa and van. Now read it again. A man ran to the van. Can you see here this man is running to the van. Now the second sentence. A fur and fan, I-S is, I-N in, T-H-E, the, wa and van. Now read the full word and the full sentence. A fan is in the van. So fan is in the van. Can you see this fan? So this fan is in the van. Now the next is a ma at mat, I-S is, B-Y by, T-H-E, the, wa and van. A mat is by the van. So can you see here mat? Mat is by the van. Now next one is a fur at fat, k at cat, I-S is, O-N on, T-H-E, the, ma at mat. Now read the full sentence. A fat cat is on the mat. So can you see this fat cat is sitting on the mat. Now next is a ra at rat, I-S is, O-N on, a b at bat. A rat is on a bat. A rat is on a bat. This rat is on the bat. A her at hat, I-S is, O-N on, T-H-E, the, ra at rat. A hat is on the rat. Can you see this rat is wearing the hat? Okay. So read the sentence and relate it with the picture. Okay. Now we will be reading next page. On the next page we have all the app words. So put your finger and read with me. App cap. You have to see the picture also. App cap. Apple gap. Apple lap. L apple lap. M apple map. M apple map. N app nap. N app nap. R app rap. R app rap. S app sap. S app sap. T apple tap. T apple tap. So these all are app rhyming words. Now we will read add rhyming words. Add, add. B add bad. D add dad. F add fad. H add had. L add lad. M add mad. P add pad. And last word is S add sad. Then we have S rhyming words. There are two words of S. G as gas. G as gas. H as has. H as has. Gas and has. So this way you have to do the practice of all the 3-letter words. Now here we have one more passage. This is page number 9. We already have read this page, so we will be doing the revision. Read this word first. A and D and. A and D and. H-I-S his. When we are talking about two things, we have to write and in between, like bat and ball, pencil and eraser. So we have to write in the center or in between and. A and D and. Her is his. His we use for boys. Okay. So here we have first sentence. D add dad. H as has. A l add lad. Now read it again. Dad has a lad. Lad is a boy. So dad has a lad. Lad is a boy. The l add lad. H as has. A cap. The lad has a cap. Lad is having the cap. Can you see this blue color cap? He, is a. B add bad. L add lad. Read it again. He is a bad lad. Means this lad is a bad boy. He is a bad lad. So, S-O, so. D add dad. I-S is so add sad. So, dad is sad. Can you see? Daddy's face. Daddy is very, very sad because lad is a bad boy. D add dad. I-S is B-Y by. T-H-E the. T app tap. Dad is by the tap. So, dad is by the tap. See, dad is sitting near to the tap. So, dad is by the tap. He, her as has, a, ma app map, and a, per add pad, pad. On, on. Her is his lap, lap, lap. He has a map and a pad on his lap. So can you see on the daddy's lap there is a writing pad and map. Okay. So children, keep on reading this way. Keep doing the practice. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.